In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AutoText in Microsoft Word. AutoText is a powerful feature that allows you to save time by automatically inserting text or phrases you use frequently. Whether it's a signature, a company address, a standard disclaimer, or commonly used sentences, AutoText can help you avoid retyping the same information over and over. By setting up AutoText entries, you can streamline your workflow and make document creation much faster and more efficient. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new document or open an existing one where you want to use AutoText. Next, type the text that you want to save as an AutoText entry. This can be anything from a short word or phrase to multiple sentences or even a formatted table. Once you've typed your text, highlight it to select the content you want to save. It's important to include all formatting you want to keep because AutoText will remember it exactly as it appears. After selecting the text, go to the Insert tab at the top of the Word window. In the Text section, you'll see a button labeled Quick Parts. Click on Quick Parts to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, choose AutoText and then click on Save Selection to AutoText Gallery. This opens a window where you can give your AutoText entry a name. Choose a name that is easy to remember because you'll use this name to insert the text later. You can also assign a category or add a description if you want, but this is optional. Once you've set the name, click OK to save your AutoText entry. Now your text is stored and ready to be used anytime. To insert an AutoText entry into a document, place your cursor where you want the text to appear. Go back to the Insert tab, click Quick Parts, select AutoText, and choose your saved entry from the list. Word will instantly insert the text exactly as you saved it, including any formatting. Another quick way to use AutoText is by typing the name of your entry and then pressing F3. Word will automatically expand the entry in place, saving even more time. And that's it. AutoText in Microsoft Word is a simple but highly effective tool for increasing efficiency and ensuring consistency across your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.